Hello, hello. Good evening or time zone for you, everyone. Oh wait, that's ending. That's not what. Yep. You didn't see that. Shh. No, start up. Good evening, all. How are you all doing? Here we are again, working on the Twitch overlay. Okay, first let me mute my messages. I do not want to be disturbed. There you go. Hi, Jake. Good evening. What's up? I'm doing good. How about yourself? Where is the Temtic? Here is the Temtic. Um, okay, I know I said on my overlay that it will be overlay dev, but first I'm gonna do a little bit of backend dev before I go to the overlay dev on Godot, just to get some things sorted that all my single R functions work like they should be. Also check because the fishing is not in there anymore, and I also have to check for heat to get that sorted. Okay, so last alert we don't use. These are all done. Then for the games, word annotation, word found, etc. We don't need to do that yet. You can click on the fish, Jake, normally. And if you can't yet, on the right side of the screen, you can enable heat extension, and then if you give that permission to your Twitch, I know that you clicked on the fish, and then I can give you the points. So then you can click on the fish. Except if you're mobile. Heat extension does not work on mobile yet. Change letter. I'm not gonna do those yet. I'm gonna implement the fishing though, because in my new version of the Twitchbot, it does not include the fishing. Um, the fish is not, and it shouldn't tell you anything that the fish is not there. Wait, I'll actually make click myself. You see, yeah, I clicked and then my name is set there. Now I'm white because I didn't type anything in chat yet, but now it said something in chat and now it will give me my orange color. You have to make sure that you enable heat extension. It's this. Adds to, no. Normally you would see give permission, but because it's on my channel, you don't see it. And then it should work normally. This might be feels so slow. I think I fixed the memory leaks, but I'm just gonna check for safety reasons. Remember when I said I fixed the memory leak? Yeah, 1 GB of memory is really suspicious, in my opinion. I'm gonna monitor that. Are you sure it's working? Because I still don't see. Sorry, I still see the fish being there, and I didn't see a name. Because if you click on the screen, it should normally show your name tag, like it does for me. And then you just have to click onto the fish, and then the fish will disappear, and your name will appear. If that's yeah, there you go. Oh, your name is very dark. Interesting. Why is it dark? Oh, because you don't have a color, do you? But then it should. Oh no, not in the old system. Ah, yeah. The old system still gives dark colors. In the new one, it's white. So then I can see your name better. Yeah, you're very, very dark. If I bring out a white website, what's very white? Wikipedia. Yep. See, that's very white. So now if you click somewhere on the screen, oh, that's in Dutch, you will be able to see where you clicked. Can I do it like this? Oh, that just gives me dark mode. Crap. But then you can see the clicks better, probably. But yeah. But yeah, now you also got the clicking working. If you do exclamation mark points, You can see how many fishes you clicked. And also the points you got. Wait, why is fishing not in here? Ah, interesting. I thought I added this already. Now, for the moment, the points are not stored until V3, which is what I'm working on. So next stream, the points will be gone already. Or even if I restart my bots, if there's a bug or anything on the old version. Which does tend to happen a lot. The new version should be more stable. Oh, and it will also remember the new version. Hi Nano, good evening, welcome in. And every time someone joins, there's a new fish that you can click. Hi TBD, good evening. God damn it, TBD. You can see who is the father here, right? The dad jokes. Although I actually also make dad jokes and I'm not a father. I think you've been here before, Nano. You should have been here before, actually. I think you did. But you don't consume the others, TBD. God damn it. Ay, ay, ay. No, I think I've seen you in my own stream as well. Well, there's actually one way to know how many points do you still have. 299 or do you have more points? Because if you have more, that means that you have been here for longer. If you have 299, yeah, see, then you have been here before. That's how if I follow someone during like a shoutout, and I check in the stream, to be certain if I've watched them or not already, I check my channel points. If it's exactly 300, I know that I just joined them. That's my little trick. Okay, I need to check to add the fishing game in here. Hi Flavius, good evening, welcome in. But first I need to check my controller for this from my hub. I'm doing good, how about yourself? It's 25 degrees in my room at the moment. It's 26.8 outside, 27 basically. Which is a shadow temperature, by the way, for outside. Also, I'm already gonna click the hydrate, I know you guys. Banging your head, oh boy, what kind of bug do you have? Enjoy the lurks, TBD. Actually, I should change something. Because today, for the very warm weather, I'm actually gonna put the timeout for hydrate lower. I think it's 50 minutes. Oh no, it's 5 minutes. Okay, never mind, I'm keeping it on 5. That doesn't look like C# code. That is probably gonna be Godot, right? But it does make sense. Cannot connect to key picked up. Divided callable is null. Are you sure that the object key picked up exists in Godot? Because I think it's with a key like this. Yeah, this is probably right. Access to unique name. So it is there, and are you sure it's? Yeah, I don't know. I don't have experience with Godot. This is by the way my overlay that I already got. It's based on the old one. You can see it's in 2D, although it's a 3D world. That's for later on. Because the fishes will be in 2D though. For now. Um, but yeah, I don't have that much experience with Godot. Okay, those also are guidances that can be actually gone. They're not even visible anymore. But it's just for the end of my screen. Also, this one is not correct. And this one either. But that's for later today. I'm not gonna do Godot Dev yet. actually gonna see if I can get Singalore hooked up. Yeah, you're definitely better off with Kani, but Kani is not streaming today. So you can better ask him in his Discord server. Or maybe if he joins my stream, but he doesn't always do that, so I don't think he will. Or there's like no guarantee he will. Also, there's still a fish on top, by the way. Alright, so anyways, overlay hub. Oh, we are already in the hub. There we have something with the fishes normally. These three. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make a service, which is gonna be the heat service. Actually, it's gonna be listener. Heat listener, and it's gonna check for overlay clicks. I'm then gonna check in my memory if I can find a viewer. If not in memory, I will check my API. I think I've just checked my API anyway. But memory is quicker, that's why I actually prefer to do it via memory. Clicked on a fish, nothing happened. God damn it, how did it break already? Oh yeah, it's broken again. Wow. Just wait, it will come back. It's already 30 minutes, no, right? No, 15 minutes. The music is fine. It's the red line like it should be. Because it did say reconnected a socket somewhere. Yeah, see, the client is connected to again. Which is solved in the new version. That was actually not my fault, but TwitchLip's fault. They put in a fix, but yeah, it's not on the old version. I'm not gonna bother with that because I then also have to change a lot of code because they now have new methods for being async. And the old one is just gone. So that means I have to refactor my old bot just for, I don't know, maximum 1 month. Probably less because the overlay is already quite advanced now, the new one. So it's a little bit of a waste to actually work on that. Spawn fish is the fishing game, right? No, what's spawn fish? Actually. Oh, it's for fish command, right? I think. Fish message. No, that's fish. Oh, I see what I did. Crap. Accidentally renamed this one, and it's not this one that I had to rename. Because that's actually what the fishing game in the old one does. Like the normal fishing game that's on the top left of the screen. It's gonna be on this one. This is fishing message. Okay, also what the heck? Okay, there you go. Spawn fish is not what I need to do, but I have to make a new one for the clicking. And spawn fish can be gone. I think. Actually, where do I even use stored fish, spawn fish for? I don't even think I use that one. But yeah. Right, enjoy the lurk shake. But then instead we will remove this one. Actually, can keep this overlay click. Oh, I can't spell. And this will be fish message, and that will be oh yeah, I need string username and string color, like this. Username color. Oh wait, sorry. Where am I? Anyways, so the fishing game. So that fish message username that's on. Start fishing game is also done via the overlay now. I also need to implement this one in the service. And the fish message as well. Oh, actually, all three of them. I'll just copy paste them in there so I know which ones I have to add. Actually, want to put that in the games. This. I actually want to see in the old code because I probably can copy most of that. Probably controller, probably single R controller or something. Or however they called it in the old version. Viewer Twitch, no, Spotify, Mobile. I think I did it manually with a listener. Yeah, I did a really weird thing. Playing and playing. Fish message. Yeah, see. I did it with an event listener. Alert broadcaster. I need to go to that one. There you go. So that's what I should be doing. Spawnfish is used. Fishing game spawnfish. Why don't I just do that with fish message? And if you think I listen to spawnfish. And it's empty. Yeah, see, I don't even use that one because if you fish and you got a rainbow, it's automatically a rainbow. And I don't provide this in spawnfish. So I don't use this one actually. So I don't have to keep that one. It's fine. It won't be a problem removing it. Alright. Crap. This is the overlay hub connection sent. Like this. Start fishing game. The overlay. Sell this to check. Send. Try. Else log. Right. And then this one. Like this. Perfect. So now we can call it via the code, and then we need to create the fishing game from the old one. But we have to change it. Alright, that's in Games Manager. Wait, fishing service. Do we need to call it like that? When you use fishing game instead. I feel like I don't need Twitchbot games anymore. I can just put it in the new one. As a singleton as well. The first time we get the fishing data and thereafter we don't. Question is, do I put the fishes in the database or not? Instead of the readme file, the JSON, sorry. It's easier to handle though, having it in a JSON, sorry, in a database. Because I need to deal with the reading of a JSON file. I don't have to wait to have the JSON file imported as well because it doesn't by default, I think. Actually, no, it does because my bot still uses it. Does it get pulled to the application? Actually, I don't know about this. I have to check the files for this. How is everyone doing? Hopefully not melted yet. Twitchbot, is that the old one? No. Actually, doesn't matter, it should be built in this one as well. Bin debug, .NET 8. Nope, it's not in there. Oh crap. Okay, so we'll have to do it in database. Interesting. It also doesn't feel good though. Because all of this needs to be imported, right? And it's like, it says 32 fishes and 10 types of trash. They have to be rewritten anyway. Because min weight, max weight, and the chance to catch should all be changing to, I have a name for it. I mean, the rate should stay, but the price already dependent on how many times you catch this. And the only thing I should keep is a minimum max weight. Also, is the overlay working again? No, it's not. The fish. I'll quickly click it. There you go. It's weird that single R is broken again. That the heat extension is broken again. Oh, it's the same stuff. Now, what if I bring the fishing? Oh no, that's the old fishing, the exclamation mark fishing, right? I guess I just put the game in here. It's fine. And for now, I'll also put the fishes in there, like a seeding. Because having it in the JSON file is kind of annoying, knowing that I have to put it on my Raspberry Pi. Oh, that's not a seed, though. Well, there you go. So what do we need? We need send message surveys. We need viewer service. We need viewer API service. And we need single R service. There we go. That should be everything. And then we make like this. There we go. All generated. And then for the controller, it will also the command listener for the exclamation mark fish will read this. Start fishing async. We need to check if we get the old code or not. We also need to implement fishes. Static list of fish. Actually, I'm gonna put a folder here. Fishing. Then we can put the fishing. Also need to call fishing service later on. Actually, it should be an iCatchable. An iCatchable is going to be interface that's going to be used by both fishing and trash. Toolbox! Good evening. How are you? Hopefully you're not on fire anymore. Well, actually, it's not evening for you, is it? It's afternoon. What does a fish have? A fish has an ID. On fire, as always. Exactly. You just that hot full box. Public int ID. That's the name. Not rarity, I think. Actually, yeah, rarity, whatever. Max weight. Just start notification. What? Whatever. Cool box, hot box, cool box. Yes. We don't want sizes. Sizes matter. Let's see what else we get. Maybe generate something cool, but I don't think so. Okay. Mean temperature, max temperature. God damn. Imagine if I put a whole freaking simulation of temperature as well of the water. And what time it is that you can catch them. Ooh. I like that though. Catching times. Certain fish can only be catched at certain times because of, well, when they eat, for example. Because my fishing game will also be playable when I'm not live. Um, Fish and time, there you go. They have their own time to be fished. Then you will have to look a lot of data for fishes on what time they can be caught, etc. in real life. Actually, that should not be done here though. That should be done on iFish. On fish. That's an iCatchable implement. Oh god. Automatic property, there we go. Then we add these ones. Oh, yeah, that's crap. I didn't see them coming. I'm sorry for that. Start fish and what else did I want to add? Rarity, right? It's not typed like this. Oh, it is capital R. Oh, we have rarity, right? This trash can also be more or less rare. Paul, do you have any other ideas I should definitely add on the fishing game to make it more fun for fishes? Oh yeah, what bait they prefer. We need to make an item for the baits. Actually, I can also make an item for the fishes. Is of name. His name is just a fish. I can do that. I think. Add an item, fish type. Oh, not common, blah blah, but that's gonna be salmon. What else do we have? Trout, bass, all these. Actually, I have to look it up on the internet. What kind of fishes there are. List of fictional fishes. Oh boy, what did I do? With fictional, I'm stupid. I should have looked up famous fish. Are those planes? Dolphin? That's not a dolphin. Fishes. I know, actually, eatable fishes. Hi, 4D, good evening. How are you doing? Salmon, herring, cod, tuna, trout. The salmon, we have trout, bass, catfish, carp, perch pike. I don't know half of them. Those do we have. So cod, halibut, tuna. Oh, I can't type. Which other fishes do we have? Salmon, cod, herring. Do we have herring? Nope. Oh, that's a lot of more fishes that we can take. Triggerfish. Wahoo! Great Revelation 3D Cam FOV. Interesting. I've been working on my fishing game now. You know the exclamation mark face that I have? That's what I'm working on now. It will appear on the top left of the stream. Like here. That's the exclamation mark fish. I'm now making a new version, thank you for the hydrate, especially with this weather. Also Hero, good evening. I missed your message. Holy shit. Moin. No, the one you had at the top left, the clicking, well, it's broken. I don't know why, it's broken freaking again. If you spam around enough, maybe one click will appear, but it probably won't. So yeah, but it's the one on the top left, that one. Just making a quick revamp of that one. It's not going to be the final state, but just so I can get that implemented in my overlay as well. Because I want to have my single R fully done. Right, the one on the left. Yes, the one on the left. Did I say the right, perchance? No, I meant on the left. You don't, Hero. Heat does not exist on mobile. Nope, sadly not. They said they're working on it, and they said that like a year ago. So either it's very difficult or they are not working on it. So fishing start time, fishing end time. I need to also make an inner for bait. So bait types. I have no clue what kind of types of bait you have. You have these. Lab web app that implements. Yes, exactly, Fody. You can literally do that. Kanye actually does this. These raised. My collection is better. Kanye's a freaking wizard. He just has too much time. and plays around with this time. Why is that my mail open? Oops. Those are the worms that you can use. Cheese. Why is there cheese and bread? Well, bread is fine, but cheese? Unlike all of us. I'm gonna do it quickly my way. Just for a fact, I can still interact with this, like this way. I can still click thanks to OBS. Okay, so we have bait types, we have fish types, we still need to have garbage types, I guess. Although actually, do we need a type for garbage? I mean, do we really need a type for fishes anyway? But exactly. Might as well just do it for garbage then. Garbage. You have to color key your screen to get it in Unity. Color key. I don't really understand what color key stands for Unity at least. But it sounds like fun. But yeah, I already got this in my overlay. I got my border like the one I have now. It's almost identical. But it's in 3D now, and it's in Godot. Took me only an hour or something. Oh, I see, Leo. What's the fun with Godot? It's a blue sky. It's a transparent screen. If I build it, like you guys don't even see it. Okay, if I click on it, it's black. But if I don't, if I click anywhere else, you don't have that problem anymore. If I enable my overlay, um, well, I can't show it like this. Because go to my starting soon and do this. You can see the new overlay, right? That's the new overlay. You see the difference? So it's transparent as well. So I don't need to use a green screen at all. Except the only problem is it's black if I click on it. Going ahead and here with the real game dev. So wait, you can get it, Flavius. Okay, so that's the old one. Oops. Don't tell me there's another update. Oh no, update the kids. Yeah, that's fine. Because I update my my writer today. Oh. Yeah, we need a list of catchables, which is going to be garbage and normal fish. Catchables. And in the seater, we'll create a new list of catchables. Yum, yum, yum. Nom, nom, nom. Then we need to, so for fish, we also need to give the type. Fish type, fish type. And name will be, oh wait, good luck for 40. That's the fish type. Sets we can do, by the way. I just realized. Hi, Lil Frosty. I stream for about how many months already? I mean, I streamed for 44 minutes. No, I streamed for probably like 2 months now. I actually don't know when I restarted again. I did a restart in February, but then I didn't. And now I stream for definitely 2 months. Actually, I can check that out. There's a way to do it in an easy way. Let me go to my schedule and see what week I started. So June 10th, 3, no. Did I just click a random week and it was actually that week that I started? Really? Oh my god. What's the chance? Since the June 10th, apparently. Oh no, just how far. Never mind. I streamed before that. Yeah, definitely. It just doesn't remember it like that. The hero. I listen to Spotify. Well, okay, that was a bit fake. I want to say my app listens to Spotify, but I also listen to Spotify, of course. Then, but where is it? Listener client? No, it's in services. I have a Spotify service. Look, this one. And this is where I actually do the listening. Your stream summary in my inbox. Well, yes, but goddamn, you can also do it on your dashboard as well. But I wanted to just look in the history, but yeah, no, that doesn't work. Overview. April. So February, March. I think March 9th that I started again. Can I see what did I stream on the 26th? Because here I streamed 3 times. Then from March 19th, so March 11th, 14, 18, 25. I think I started back in March 9th, but I'm not consistent, and I start my consistency in April, I think. Yeah, because I think I went on holiday as well there. Oh no, then before that. So March 9 indeed, that's when I started again. If that answers your question. Okay, I got distracted real quick. And the fishing game is still broken. But yeah, Hero, so I listen to Spotify from my app, which you need an API token, etc. from. From Spotify, you can just look it up on the API. And I just use a library called Spotify API. And that's how I do it. I check I think every 10 seconds what song is playing. And if it's a new song, I push it to my front end. Use Apple Music. I don't know if Apple Music has an API or this phone out. Probably does. Efficient. Wait, you have to import every song one by one, huh? There's no API for Apple? That can be right. Apple Music API. Yeah, see, you can use Apple Music API. And use personal iCloud music library. I think via the API you can see which song you are listening to at the moment. You can even get music videos. But yeah, there's just an API for this. You can literally just call the API, see what song you're listening to. Poor hero. And you actually know what's gonna be even worse. Wait, are you using C Sharp, Godot, Unreal? What are you using? Because if it's C Sharp, I'm pretty convinced you can find a library for this. Nugget, then there you go. Interact with Apple Music resource, blah blah. You can look into this package then. It might be another one as well. No, I don't think so. You can look into this package. They probably have some stuff for you that you can use. Here. They don't have documentation probably, but I just check in their code to see what they do. But yeah, probably you can use this package and call data out of the API, authenticate yourself with however they want you to do that. Generate developer token, there you go. Authenticate user from music kit. That's probably also what you need to do. And then you can just do requests. All in C Sharp, all with Unity. Well, it's a flashbang. That's a flashbang if you've ever seen one.
Throwing flashbang.
There you go. But yeah, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Often other people already did it. And for fish, I'm gonna make a constructor. But I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, pardon me. Return fish type. Space between words. There you go. See if it can do that. It does not. With what? Name substring 0. Okay, whatever. See how they play Unity. Oh no, Lehiro. Do you wait? But what do you mean with your own music player? Did you just have a player where that would play songs for you and show what song you're playing? And it would actually call a song from Apple or something? Like from a place to download or something? What? Not fully following what you actually wanted to do. Sounds like a hassle. Okay, can I not do this? Nope. I don't want to reinvent the freaking wheel again. Like whatever. Yeah, with regex, I guess. Okay, oh, interesting. So at parameter 1, you can replace it. This thing, I'm gonna try that. Some songs as a file and put them into the song object and made a music player script to play, pause, skip and stuff. God damn it, Hero. I feel bad for you. No, there is an easier way. You're complaining about return value is missing. No, it is a return. There you go. It's doing that again. Oh. Alright, no worries. Enjoy the update, I guess. And thanks for the hydrate again. Maybe I should open up my window. It's the same degrees outside anyway. Maybe I can have some fresh air. Eek. Open. Oh yeah, actually really nice weather outside. It's saying 25, but it's feel colder outside. Some actual air. Actually, I don't know if TBD is actively listening or not. If you are TBD, do you recommend whatever it's suggesting me to do with the regex? Because I know TBD tends to lurk at least and listen, but I don't know if you're actually actively listening or not. That's not, that's fine. Then I will just keep the old way. Fine. So what it's actually doing. Generate real expression interpolation at compile time. No, it's fine like this. This fishing type to string. I think it needs to be like this. Oh yeah, it has space. Okay, perfect. If it detects the capital, it will put a space. But it should ignore the first one, right? HTML. To split numbers too, I don't need that either. Yeah, I just think it is fine. We don't have acronyms in the fishes. Uh, Come on, this got close. Thank you much. Because I forgot to say Panda that I go live, because she asked me to tell her when I go live. So ID, that's good. Alright. For the garbage. Oh, that's garbage type, right? So what types do we have again? No, we don't want this to have abstract. We do want to change the namespace. There we go. That's the old trash. So I need to look in this one. That's what I was looking for. So that we here. I'll put plastic can, plastic bottle. Let's see what it generates. What's a lot of stuff. So we got a plastic bag. We got a shoe, tire bottle can. You can't even catch these. Fishing line is funny. Oh, we can keep can. We can keep can. Can. Can, can, can. An anchor, what the hell? A hook and a fishing line, no. A net and a rope, perhaps. What else can you catch in the river? Plants. So that's stick. Stick don't cost anything. A glove. A hat. A bike. That's probably too heavy. Uh, what else can we catch as garbage? Actually, we have quite some stuff. We'll keep it like this for now. Then we make the new type garbage. Hi Panda, good evening. How are you? That was quick. Yeah, I remember this time to warn you that I got live, although I told you now too late. Oh, you just got home. So garbage. Garbage is a part of an eye collectible. So an eye catchable, not a collectible. Wait, this is garbage type, garbage type. This is equal to regex, like this. How was your workday, Panda? Actually, how was everyone's weekend? I should think if it was Monday or Thursday. I always forget. Hope you all had a nice weekend. That you did something cool or interesting. Well, I know Panda got a busy weekend. I'm happy if my freaking overlay works again, like it should. Moving was horrible, I can imagine. I take garbage, that's good. It's all Gucci. And a parking ticket. Oh no, what did you do, Panda? No, we need to keep it. Hi Skydiver, how are you doing? I'm doing utterly fine. How about yourself? Did not pay in time. Ay ay ay, Panda. So ID that can stay. Well, actually, it doesn't matter. Sorry. Garbage type. Entirety, there you go. Public int penalty. But with a capital P, of course. Int penalty. Alright, enjoy the lurks, Panda. What are you up to, Skydriver? How was your weekend? Alright, let's see. Now we create every single type of the fishes. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, so we need to check for each fish type. Salmon. So new fish. Oh, I also need to make the constructor for this one. Fish ID, type, variety, fish time, fish end time. It's on hotkeys. A new map for Last Stand. What's Last Stand? Is it the game that you're making, Skydiver? Um, that's 0. It's salmon. Rarity 50. How will I deal with rarity though? Because now it's just a number, but what does a number actually mean? It's not a percentage because that's difficult to do. Okay, I also need to add what bait it likes. Oh, it's a jam game. With Captain Coder, I assume. Oh no, never mind. It's not the Captain Coder jam. Never mind. Sorry. It's for another game jam that you did. Oh, it makes sense. God damn, it's 26 in my room now. 25 outside. 24.5 outside now. Updated. It's good for quite a lot of sun. That recharges my battery for my outside weather station. But the first fish. Oh yeah, right. I need to check what time you can fish a salmon. Wait, today's fishing time for salmon? What? Depends on what fish it was. Okay, yeah, never mind. I'm not gonna do it that way then. I'm not gonna have fishing preferred times. Actually need to make an object for bait. In bait, we have an ID, name, cost, wait, public, and not variety, but stock, public, time span, cooldown. Yeah, that's fine. So every X amount of time, a new um, a new one will be added of this product. So it means that you have like more expensive and cheaper to use bait, but more expensive bait will also cause better fish to be caught. That makes sense. But there's also only a stock of the bait, and the more bait is bought, the more it costs. Actually, I'm not going to do it with the cost. The cost will stay the same, but the stock will go up and down. There we go. Like this. So now we have the ID for a bait. That doesn't actually matter if it has an ID or not, I have to be honest, but whatever. With the name for the bait, actually bait type. The name is gonna be a setter anyway. Nope. So that's bait type. Oh no, not like this. That's better. So now bait time, this is equal to regex. What? Copilot is sometimes so buggy. Okay, I can be gone. All this can stay. Actually, cost should be float. Like this. Oh yeah, just bait type, that's fine. Type of bait for. So bait no for salmon. Salmon accept the choice of bait. What? So that's interesting. So use bait for the animal you're yeah, so you're using the eggs of the fish you're willing to caught. What? Sand shrimps are very popular for Chinook salmon. Interesting. You can find so much stuff about the fishing actually. Salmon, what does this one say? Yeah, salmon eggs, interesting. Because I will add that to the fishing types, for the bait types. Um, Salmon eggs, there you go. Minnows. Oh, that's what no, that's this one. If you could choose, as almost any freshwater fish is attracted to and eats them. Lively when they're on the hook, okay. Sand shrimps also seems to pay a lot. Sand shrimp, there you go. So it wants minnows, salmon eggs, or sand shrimps. I need to add that as well. Lists of bait types. Like this. Also, what was the game jam about, Skydiver, that you participated in? So we have type, variety, and new lists. So not worms, but there was salmon, eggs, minnows, and the sand shrimps. And then for the bait, List of bait. Nope, not bait type, just bait. Like this. And then we need to make the new list for this as well. Baits. Oh, then the making so ints. Actually, stock can be left alone. Can be set later on. So if the ID. Actually, why am I even using ID? For database, right? Makes sense. I need to store how many of a certain ID you have. What am I saying? So ID, bait type, the cost, cooldown for new one, for worms. From seconds, 10 seconds. It will always be a max of 50 for each type for now. Chance to catch, wait, what? Oh no, chance to catch should not be there. It's like this, it's fine. For minnows, what are actually minnows? Minnows are actually types of fish. Interesting, I didn't know that. There are fishes which are more difficult to get. Actually, from seconds sounds doesn't sound like a lot. It's only at 50 seconds to get all the fishes back. No, 500 seconds. Still. I feel like one per minute. Actually, every 2 minutes there's a worm. Sounds fine. Then for the fish, nope, not new. So it's like I need 5 minnows. Crickets, well, that's less. Yeah, you have a lot of crickets anyway. Actually, I'm just going for minus 1. For grasshoppers, same thing. Time span. Actually, I can also this way. Well, it doesn't matter. This one is shorter. Pedro, 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 Pedro. Why are you complaining? Oh, because I did new. Something like 4 showing up. Actually, no, because sticky day. You have a lot of them anyway. Actually, no, I like 4. And sand shrimp showing up 6. I also forgot one here, right? And this one too. There we go. And the costs, first of all, should be in float. That's fine. That fixed fish. I forgot the word. Tyler, good evening. Welcome in. How are you? Nice day for fishing in it. I'm doing good. A bit warm, but I'm doing good. It broken? What broken? Oh, the clicking. Yeah, the clicking's broken. Guess I'll have to refresh. Twitchbot. There you go. Should be working now again. Yep, there you go. Then I have my color back. Yes, now you can click again. All the points are reset everything, but it's fine. For now. Still the old version. Look at that fish. Oh, that was quick. Holy moly. That was some really quick clicking. Okay, the words we need to add. For public. Word. Sorry, float. What's the full words of the fish? Oh, that's a bait, right? Oh, so that's the bait. Never mind. I'm stupid. It's like this indeed.
Hey, listen!
Hi, Nama. Thanks for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, stay by. Oh, it's returned. Code. There you go. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, my overlay is broken still. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, it's still broken. I know. I need to fix that. But yeah, sorry. What did I miss? Quite a lot. I'm very sorry for that. My mom came in. I was just talking about the hospital visit we did today for grandma. But no worries, everything is fine. Although she has an operation, but nothing to worry about. AP. Interesting. Their clicking isn't centered. Oh, their clicking isn't centered. Sorry, that should not be my fault. And Nama, sorry for you to delay you. I got interrupted. But the overlays need very. Thank you for that. I'm still working on a lot of it. So the chat is just normal chat from Twitch. I'm gonna implement my own one. You have the top bar, which is all custom, but not really how it should be. First of all, the last sub is not a last sub, it's just a random sub that Twitch gives me. The top tier is very outdated from back in the times that I streamed aviation related stuff. So that one can also be disregarded and should now be the most recent one. But I don't have a database connected to that one. So that one is broken. Then sometimes if a rate from last rate, it's working fine, but not stored as well. And then the claim first is also broken. Because it's not the first one. If I restart my bot and if I restart the overlay itself, it's also broken. The current playing one is fine. That's with Spotify. That one works fine. And I also have my clicking game. So it's sometimes on the screen you have the fishes appearing. Then you can click on them with heat extension. If you don't know what heat extension is an application you can. Fucking hats! Oh, my perfect explanation. No. I'm sorry, Nana. You probably don't hear me anymore, do you? Because I should, yeah. But I'm gonna do that once the overlay is done, the new one. But yeah, I should make a video and I will actually make it the trail of my channel, where I explain everything that happens on my channel. So the overlay, the clicking, the exclamation mark fishing, that I'm an otter, my lore, something else? Nothing I can think of. Oh, Nama didn't go away because I was gone for a minute. Hope my viewer count didn't drop too much just either. Oh yeah, it did. Ouch. Well, oh my god, the fresh air coming in. Oh, that felt good. That was really good. Yeah, I cannot do it this way, by the way. The same here. And what will be the price of salmon? The average price. What is the salmon worth per kilogram? Per kilogram. Monthly price per kilogram salmon. Between 8.5, let's take. 11 per cat discounts. Yeah, gosh darn it. At the moment it's at 5.50. Wait, what? At the moment it's at 10.22 in April. Oof. It seems to go between 9 and 6. So I'm gonna go for 8.5. I think that's a good price. Yeah, 6.3, and here it was 10.51. Here 9.97. 599% increase. No, Siler. We're not gonna do it that way. It's a float. What are you complaining about? Collection expression makes sense. Then a new fish, next fish is trout. A trout has a rarity of 30 apparently. I'm gonna leave that up to whatever Copilot thinks it's worth. The rarity. Trout. Can I look up trout? It's a really good website actually. Seafood. Fish with that salmon. Ah, that's them. Can you you can compare the fish with uranium? Interesting. The word of trout. Oh, live trout prices in Germany. All these ads, holy crap. Yeah, sign up for free. No, we're not doing that crap. Oh, for Germany, the live trout is about 4.4 and $7.9. The retail price range from 4 to 7 euros. Let's take 5.5. Yeah, I like 5.5. That's a good one number. What actually does trout eat? Fishing, bait for trout. What does trout eat? Minnows and small chubs. What's chubs? Same insects as mayfly, catfish, stoneflies. Let's go for minnows because I already have those and small chubs. I'm gonna look up what small chubs are. Small fishes. Guess I will go for chub then as well. To add it to the bait types. Like this. I need to fix the cost for bait as well, but I'm gonna do that later on. But there you are, he's still there now, man. I was a bit afraid that you weren't gone because of me going away for a minute or 5, I guess. He's also banger, isn't it? Really love this new song. I really need my rave mode. It's such a banger. It's knowing that it's children. I don't know if they made it themselves or if it's like something else, but still, it's amazing. It's just an energetic vibe. Love it. I need my rave mode and my other remote. I mistyped it. Music production camp would make sense. It's Irish, right? I will need the jam emotes and like rave mode. Look at the old jam. And then you have tomatoes with the horn. Good evening, horn. Tomato. Good evening, horn. We do? I doubt it. Such a good song. Well, thanks for the 10 bits. Hope Horn has a nice day. God damn it. Let's see what boss wants to eat. And thanks for the hydrate, Siler. Thanks for keeping me alive in the warm weather. Fishing bait for boss. Oh yeah, I need to do this in the code yet. Still. So they eat minnows, no worms. What's again the last one? Chop. Panda, how dare you? This is a no tomato stream. Thanks for hydrate, by the way. I really like this one better, this taste. So we got yep, that's on. Then we need to check for pass. Soft bait, hard bait, what? For pass. Oh, there's certain types of bass. I need to add live bait. Shotstar minnow or shiners? I'm just gonna go for the minnow. Website you can use in all types of I guess just minnows. Minnows is basically everything. Use this. Or like eats this. So I know that minnows can be very cheap. And there's a respawn time of yeah, 1 minute is fine. Actually no, I'm gonna make this 30 seconds. 1 second. So every 30 seconds a new bait is added for minnows. Maybe I also need to add the max type. Oh yeah, there you go. In max stock. Int max stock. Max stock and stock is also equal to max stock. You always start out with max stock. And the setter of stock will be packing field. And how why we do that is because stock can never be bigger than. There's a way to do it like. Okay, we just do this or whatever. But I noticed like in a function you can call with math that takes the highest, like caps it with stock. Else value cannot be lower than null. There you go. How many worms can we have at times? It's 50, sorry. 50 worms, 100 minnows. I think it's gonna be 50. Grasshoppers is gonna be 25. Oh no, sorry, grasshoppers that's also 50. And salmon eggs, we have 200 because eggs, well, it's eggs. Then sand shrimps, 25. Cup, 30. Sure, whatever. Why not? Like this. Trying to make it as realistic as possible. That was not the plan of today, but I guess we're doing it anyway now that we're working on this. Actually, I'll keep the fishing limited to only 7-8 types of fishes, sorry. And all the rest I'm gonna do later on. I'm not gonna do that now. Not the intention of this stream. Okay, so we wanted to check what boss eats. Boss, no, sorry, boss not eat, but boss would. Um, of boss per kilogram. Sea boss price in Italy, sure, why not? Between 5 and 11 per kilogram. So take 8.5 as well. That's the base price. This will depend on rarity and how many fishes are left. Okay, how many fish do we get? Catfish, carp still. That's all. That's catfish. What does a catfish eat? A catfish, let's see. Worms, it seems like. Chicken liver, oh damn. Minnows and small fish. Worms as well. I think I'm gonna go for worms and the minnows again. Minnows basically everything can catch. And worms. Just making it more general because I don't want to be that detailed. All right. By the way, I don't know anything about fishing. Of get fish. Fish F prices. Catfish. Seagrown. 120. Okay, no, never mind. Um. Hmm. Siler. You knew the price of Tesco of whatever fish I was working on there. Do you know it coincidentally for catfish? Although that was pound, but pound and euro is that not that much different. So catfish sells for 180,080 what? Wolfish, no. Can't find anything about catfish worth of money. That's smoked. Guess I'm also gonna go for 8 or something. Or 7. Actually, red is low. Maybe I should make it 12.5, whatever it said. Fishing types, and that's gonna be carp. Don't pay attention to the rarity yet, that's also not correct. Like my previous query of carp per kilogram. Carp fish price in France. Sure, good enough. It's about 3 to 11, so that's 9, let's say. I don't know what to do with rarity for now. Also, what does carp eat? Red maggots again. Sweet corn pips. Interesting. When fishing for carp, sweet corn. Interesting. So minnows. So grasshoppers and crickets are not really broad at all. So I guess I can remove these. So that's 2, 3, 4. Chub, do we get chub? Yes. sand, shrimp, salmon, eggs, minnows, worms. Alright. Actually, I think worms should also be just 1 minute. Now the costs. Worms are really cheap, right? It's cost an integer. No, it's a float. Okay. 1 cent for worms. Minnows will cost quite more, I guess. Live minnow. They're more expensive. Let's say 3, whatever. Doesn't have to be perfect yet. Salmon eggs, probably cheap. Yeah, very cheap indeed. Let's say 0. Nope. 0.4. Sand shrimps, let's say 0.7. And chirp is also gonna be 3. Actually made that 4. Alright, looks fine to me. And then trash. Garbage, whatever. For garbage we have the int ID, so that's 5. Garbage type is plastic bag. Variety, we're gonna put variety of garbage low. Like 5-ish. Penalty, what's the penalty for plastic bag? Plastic bag is basically worth nothing, right? That's probably gonna be 20 cents. Why is penalty in integer? Shouldn't be. And here it's also an integer, should be a floating point. Like this. And that's fine. The tire should be quite a lot. 3. Without really rare to catch. A bottle. 5 cents, I like that. Can same. And nets should be indeed more rare to catch. Will cost you 1. A rope. There's a stick that should not give you penalty. The cost can happen more often so. Wrap. A hat. What else do we have? That's the last one. Okay. Should be the same. Perfect. So that's all the catchables. Oh. You're complaining about lip date views. Okay, that's fine. Start fishing async. So that's viewer surveys. We just get the viewer. String Twitch ID. I guess I could just send the viewer. Because the viewer doesn't have made much data anyway. Viewer, let's like that. What are you complaining about? View defined below, yeah, that's fine. We click on and remove all this. So we get the viewer, then we check. Oh no, I need to get it from the API anyway. Okay, that's fine. Twitch. Oh, can't type. Twitch ID and string message, which is probably going to be the bait. Because what you're going to do is probably fish, and then the name of the bait that you want to use. I still have to think how I will deal with fishing. Because at the moment you can just do exclamation mark fish every 10 seconds. I feel like it will take time for the fish to bite, but then you need to still be aware that the fish bit. If that makes sense. Hmm. If Siler is still here, because he had probably have a good opinion about this. Hi Siler. I just called you just for nothing. No, just kidding. For the fishing, I'm thinking on how to implement it with the timeout. Should it be done that you fish? So you throw out bait, then you wait for a random time. Stop booping my nose. Um, then you wait for a random time, and then it's being caught. Or should you just wait 10 seconds for every time you do exclamation mark fish, and immediately after you do fish, you get the fish you caught? So basically, my question is: instant fishing, or do you fish and wait and let it just wait a random time? Like it now is, with just exclamation mark fish, fish will immediately appear. Or you wait, so you do exclamation mark fish, you throw out your fishing rod, you wait, and at random time you get a fish, but then how would you get notified anyway? It's only on the top left of the screen, then you have to pay attention. Fish wait 10 seconds. Is it, you said a question mark, so I don't know. Immediately better, okay. Then CD. Probably you mean with CD wait. CD. I know what CD stands for, but I don't know what CD stands for. Cooldown, right, that's it. You said city earlier in stream, and I didn't know what you meant. Or Max stream. Oh yes, Max stream. I didn't know what you meant. But you meant that I did Here Comes the Boy song thing. And you said that I did it and yeah, you had a cooldown. Yeah, now I understand, but back then I didn't. So it's immediate, okay. No, message already has just bait. But can be nullable. If you don't use a bait, you don't have an advantage. Viewer, get a viewer. Viewer by Twitch ID async, we get the viewer. No, we need the viewers. That doesn't work like that. We need the phishing service, the phishing stats. Because we need to get your bait. This one. I need to check because bait will be by bait ID. I need to know how many fishes you have with this given bait type. But it's gonna be an integer. But I need to fish. Not fish. I need the viewer anyway, right? So get the viewer, then having the viewer, you check if it exists. You're not a viewer. But viewer should exist anyway because you get created before the command is executed. But if in case viewer is null, we just return nothing. Then we just log. So we need to have the iLogger as well. Thanks for feedback, by the way, Saler. iLogger for phishing service. Oh. Plastic bottle of port 0. Oof. So we get the viewer. If the viewer is nothing, then we logger with Touch ID, there we go. And we return. Otherwise, we're gonna have to use the phishing service. Why do you have an iFishing service? I guess might as well. Does it really have a difference? Because I never use iViewer API or anything. I think viewers phishing service is not what I'm looking for. What is iFishing service? Nothing. Should be removed. Best auto. Thank you, tomatoes. That looks beautiful. Oh, for me, like on overlay it's like this, but on this overlay it's full. That's interesting. That's cool. Thank you for the 10 bits, tomatoes. If phishing service can be gone. Yep. They don't have phishing API service. Oh, API with small casing. So we need to make an API service for this. Ugh. So that's phishing API service. Yeah, I already know I'm not gonna do overlay dev today, although I said I would do overlay dev. Oops. API service. What? It's API service, right? Like this. I'm confused. There we go. Yep. Just as HTTP client, that's all. Okay. I need to check because there will be two types of fish. Yeah, that will be the wrong one. The games can be gone, but there should be one for here as well. Should be a phishing response model like this. And what this data should include, we go to my phishing controller. see, what do I return? Bait, fishing stats. So you basically use fishing stats for this. But I don't want to use my models for that, right? You generally do not want to do that. Okay, I need to completely overhaul the fishing system. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, I'm actually doing a stretch. And a planned stretch. Okay. So what I need to do is remaining bait should not be remaining bait, but should instead be bait. All this can actually stay. Basically, we don't want to get it back. The viewer is automatically done by the entity framework. But what we want to do instead is having a list of baits. And then the amount you have of the bait. Yeah, just the amount of the bait. And the bait name. Of bait ID actually is better. Or bait type. I think I'm just gonna go for bait ID. So that's gonna be. I can make this a dictionary. Bait ID, beta. That's actually not a bad idea, but does Entity Framework handle dictionaries? AF dictionary. Map dictionary Entity Framework code first. Let's see. Het werkt dus 0%. Ah, crap. Got value conversion. XML. Nah, I probably have to make a model for this. It's gonna be one-to-many relationship. It's gonna be bait. Bait has an ID, but we don't care about ID actually. Prop. That's an integer. Int. And it's ID. Then we have the bait type ID. Then we have user ID indeed. Int amount, and then we have viewer. Thanks for the pets, Panda. Panda. Just like something happening when you do that on my head, that it will also pet me. I mean, soon you can pet me. You can click on me. Well, that's the plan at least. Wait, that should be an integer. Actually, an unsigned. And mount should also be an unsigned integer. Save some time. Save some space. That's fine. Then we need to go to infrastructure, entity configuration. We add a new configuration for bait. So that's called bait configuration. I'm actually attempting to just move the bait type, this one, over to shared enums. Yep, like this. And then refactor this one to the correct namespace. Also, thank you, Tomatoes, for the pets. Crickets and grasshoppers are not used. Oh yeah, right. I can remove those. So now I can use these as well in my my bait. Instead of this, I will use bait type. Then bait configuration. There we go. cascade. A viewer does have many, but not visibly. Like this. So bait has one viewer. A viewer has multiple baits. There's a phone key user ID. And on delete cascade. It's an enum. So what the entity framework will do is make this an integer in the database and will automatically convert it back to the bait type for me. You can also tell entity framework to do that as a string. Of wat? Sorry, even de vraag. Where? Where did you see the var? Bait.type. Do you mean here? Type, huh? I'm sorry, I'm not following. Also, hi, Bernardo. How welcome in. Look, I'm a little bit. Oh, because I'm using bait. Oh, I see what you mean. I think in here I have bait, and now I have bait.bait type. I could actually just make it type like this. I don't think you can do type like this, right? Oh, you can. Okay, right. But yeah, indeed, like this. No, that's fine. Good suggestion. I kept it because it was a bait type as enum, and that's why I didn't go for that. And it was actually bait type ID because I didn't use enum first. But now I do. My overlay is not following, is it? Unless it was just rolled up late, but I don't think so. Yep, my overlay is broken again. Oh. Yep, I restarted Twitchbot. Oh boy. Access token expired of Twitch API. Okay, yeah, fair. Spotify, I mean. The old system doesn't. Huh. I got a 404. Interesting. Let's try that again. Oh yeah, there we go. And then refresh overlay. There we go. Fixed it. Mechanic. Actually, now that Bernardo is here, I need to do this.
Brother,
I still love this.
what's that?
It's just so good. Why is it so freaking good? It's a freaking jammer. Nerds, ooh. Exactly. And this can now just be bait. Sorry, this can just be type. Okay, that's fine. Then we go here. We go to API. We do .NET anti-framework. Migrations at bait. Let it build. Build succeed. Anti-framework, blah blah. I know I should update the package, but that's fine. And then .NET anti-framework database update. You better not complain about anything. There you go. Database updated with the bait. So now we have bait in the system. I actually. Oh, never mind. I did the configuration. It's fine. Canini! 3-month subscription with 2-month streak. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, okay. Yeah, resubs do not work. Also, what the hell happens with the overlay? The chat overlay. That's beautiful. That's all I can say. Beautiful. Good job, Twitch. Thank you, Canini. Yeah, resubs do not work in the old system, which is kind of sad. I don't actually know why it doesn't work. I just hope it does in the new version. But how are you doing, Kanini? I was actually thinking, I just realized that this is not correct. Because it should be connected to viewer response model, not viewer. Not to phishing stats. And it should now be bait instead of bait. Well, I can just update the database again, it's fine. Phishing stats, yes. Int stats ID. Wait, phishing stats ID. Kani. uh, how did you guess? Um, good luck winning if the discussion. Wait, are you telling me that? Wow, so OBS has literally a spelling checker. I never knew that was a thing on OBS. Also, can you guys click the fish or is it broken again? No, it's not broken, you just didn't click it. Ay, ay, ay. How dare you? This should be phishing stats and that should be phishing stats ID. Like this. Yeah, complain whatever you want. There you go. That's what I want. So bait configuration, that should not be this, but it should be bait. Phishing stats ID. That's one phishing stats with many. This is phishing stats ID again. Like this. Bada boom, bada beam. All right. This should now be a list. When I collect, what did we use? Oh, whatever, list is fine. I forgot the name of it, but there's like a read-only collection. I'm just gonna call it list, it's fine. I love this music. It's on the top right, tomatoes. But actually, I didn't trigger, interesting. What is the name? But if you do song, oh, what song, question mark, or just do exclamation mark song, my bot will automatically say it in chat as well. I made a lot of options for it to happen, so. Then you can just copy paste it. I think this is actually an NCS song. Pretty convinced it is. With Source Chaos, but I thought I got it from no copyrighted. Oh god, that's a lot of love, Kanini. That's a lot of this. Well, there goes Trisha. Deserved love to Panda. But hey, Trisha. Bye, Trisha. It's almost 50 seconds already, so hi, Trisha again. Oh boy. He didn't stand for long. I think this one is copyrighted, almost certain. Let's pay new lists, yes. That should just be not null. Oh, actually, no, that can be null. Canny. Alright, that seems fine. User A bait with the viewer. Alrighty. Yeah, it's gonna do that. That's fine. Although I should think not to do that and maybe just make it nullable. On the other hand, there should always be a list, just nothing can be in the list if you don't have bait. Now the question is, should a user have bait anyway? By default. What I'm thinking is you need to use bait, otherwise you don't get anything. Although you can fish without a bait, but then you just have a very low chance of getting something. They have way more chance of having trash. But once you have money to buy the bait, then you can start fishing with that bait. I'm thinking how I should deal with this. It means I also need more bait, right? If like 5 people already buy 300 of the bait, then there's already not enough bait, so that's 1,500 bait. But I mean, 300 bait, it's a lot of fishing, you know? You probably don't even want that much bait. But someone could just flood the market and just buy a lot of bait. Or I put a cap on how much one can have of a certain bait. Like for example, you can have a maximum of 10 of one certain bait. And then you can avoid people flooding the market by just buying all the bait and no one else can buy it. Because I know you guys are heathens, you guys would buy all the bait. Wouldn't you? What we would never. No, right? What am I even saying? All those lies. Buy bait all. Should I make it that you always buy 10 of a certain bait? Or should you choose between 1 and 10? Or you can just do buy bait, you get all, like 10. And you can also provide a number behind it if you want to buy a certain amount of bait. I think I'm going for the latter one. Like, you can choose, if you don't do anything, it's gonna buy 10 of it. Otherwise, it will buy the amount you're given. Why is it complaining about the fish clicks? Oh yeah, but that's no, yeah, that's still have to figure that. That's fine. Remaining bait is now gonna be. Oh, should actually not be like this. Remaining bait is handled in bait. Hi Panda, that's a very long time ago. How are you? That's a very, very long time ago, actually. Holy crap. And for the memes, yeah, I can imagine. Remembering you. Oh, it makes sense. So I need to update the database. My configuration should be fine now. Got the fishing stats done correctly, cascades. The fishing stats, that's also fine. Also, you should have cascade, but it's probably cascade anyway. Thanks for the hydrate, Bernardo. Definitely more than 5 years ago, I think, Dutch. As a Panda. Has to be. It's even more. I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, really? But last time we did a call is like more than 5 years ago, probably. I like to play the game. Chat 1 year ago. Yeah, that makes sense. But yeah, how are you doing? What are you up to? Okay, so I can try again for database. Page 2.0. No, okay, I'm not gonna do that. Correct mapping. Correct relationship. There you go. Is your magnet for panda? Oh yeah, right. Twitchbot is also panda. I didn't even think about it. Build failed C error scrap. Yeah, I know why. I just comment out this code. It's fine. But Panda Coder didn't join my stream yet. I don't think Panda Coder knows I stream. It's only 2 pandas now. Wait, no, another build? Where? Oh, I see why.
Hey, listen.
And thanks for the follow, Panda. Okay, so this we need to change. Use page should now be Twitch ID. And so that actually no bait type. Bait. Oh yeah, my overlay is broken. So the follow just stays there. So you have to do it this way. So bait. Fishing kit, blah, blah. Include fishing set, fishing.bait. Oh crap. That's a lot of FS. Oh, you can't do that? Why? Because this include is now an queryable with an include, so what? Then doesn't work. So I need to make another query for getting the bait as well for this fish. Bait first the default bait. If bait is null or bait use amount is 0, return null. And if that's done, that means there is something incorrect. That's fine. Wait, that makes sense. That's fair. Depends, Panda. Depends on how terrible it is. Exchanges, fishing stats, alright. Oh boy. The question is, do I trust you for that though? Yes, you do. It's Twitch link. Wait, Mr. Night Guy. That's a long time ago I saw him. Oh boy, is it me? Dat verdient dit hoor. Oh boy. Well, that's a very old clip. I'm not gonna even show that. You can watch it if you want to. That's just me I think I was AFK there. And then suddenly I saw the ball, I was like, oh, I have to save it. But you went, what? I was AFK and then I went for the ball because I saw the ball move, I think. Nico? Also love everyone is shouting my name. Fine. Pretty convinced I was probably texting someone. So I was not AFK, but I was not paying attention either. Probably what happened. Also the gaming tag. How old is that freaking gaming tag? You update page. Yep. Was that what we're working on? I think so, right? So viewer points minus 5. Wait, why minus 5? What? Don't want to buy bait like this. I use bait. What's update bait then? That's to add bait, I think. Yeah. That's bait type. The voice, the disappointment in the voice. Exactly. Int amount. There you go. Do we need view? Yes, we do for the points. Bait used. There you go. There can be question mark. Then we do this. Bada boom, bada beam. You just God damn it, panda. Well, and now it's to say, and I say panda, it's two pandas. Well, both pandas actually. God damn it, you both. How old is that clip actually? 6 years ago. Holy crap. That is very old. Ah. Who is the imposter? Oh crap, ads. There's an imposter among us. I actually have my beautiful Suzy mode. Okay, so bait, and let's see. You can have maximum of 10 bait. Or you can have maximum of 20, but only buy 10. Because I never would have voted people buying too much. Or just keep it on 10. Pokemon, oh god. Why is Pokemon number 5 and 1? Among Us, oh yes, right, that one. I forgot. Among Us. I used to play a lot of Pokemon, like 2 years ago. In classes. Among Us, yeah. Do you remember, just know that number out of your head or something? Wouldn't surprise me. Oh boy. Why is everyone here all of a sudden? What the hell? Hey, Aro. uh, oh no. Oh, sorry, Excel Turkey. My head went over that way too quick, sorry. Which secret name? I don't know what you're talking about. Um, so amounts. Well, but points? No, yeah. Now think about it, because we've points with money, but I didn't implement the money yet, which should be in fishing stats. Now think about it. Let's see how I did it. Do we have some sort of money implemented? Yes, fish salt is the money. Always blame Kevin. That was always the fun one. So total trash, oh that's total. But there's nothing with actual that I have. Well, like the bullet one, I mean, what? Actually, how are you up to, Ducky? No, we don't talk about hostage, please. We don't talk about Rainbow Six Siege. No. I mean, You know, it's just a meme to play. Not Capcan. How is it called again? With the thing that you always call the freaking kill the freaking hostage. Fuse. Oh my god, Fuse. Yes. We don't talk about my gameplay with Fuse. I mean, I might have done it sometimes on purpose. Although Kevin did it more often than me. Well, we used to have fits about it until that service went down. And they removed every single clip of them, and I had so freaking many of them. You haven't played that much with him, but he really used a lot when you weren't there. I didn't kill him before those touch. I mean, you have to say what I'd like. You have to give me the rights here. He deserved to be killed. Yeah, now I have more hours even. But fishing stats should have money. Where's fishing stats? Here it is. Public. A walking boy now. Well, I guess you're more of a walking dude now. Well, I guess yeah, money's fine. We're now working people. Builder, property. Well, actually not me, because I just basically will graduate soon. Not capitalized, holy crap. Money table. Fall winning. Yeah, almost. I mean, I know that my thesis was fine, that I passed it. And it's like one more course. Actually, my results will come in tomorrow. Yeah. There's like one more course that you have to do. We have to just upload some tasks. That's all. But I'm pretty certain I will pass it as well. I don't think they would let you fail that one if you just send in everything. And I don't have any other exams or anything, so. And it's actually working. Oh boy. Why is everyone here? What the hell? They're all talking about secretly, huh? I know what you guys are up to. But how are you doing? Dr. Scoot. Oh boy, how old is that name even? Good times. Niotter what? I need source. No, you don't, Panda. We just gamed a lot in our past life. When you say past life. Yeah, it's really been a while. Gosh darn it. No, we used to play a lot of Rainbow Six Siege and Rocket League. Did you come back to life? We have a big vacation and we have a lot of stories. It's a second life. Yeah, that's what I said when I said our past life, but I just meant the past of our life. But yeah, didn't come like I wanted to. Second life is a game also. How many lives do we have? 9. So that's done now. The money. No catch, but I don't have anything but a catch. Didn't jump scare me this time. I tried, yeah. It doesn't often scare me anymore. The first few times it did, but they're often no. Although sometimes when I'm really concentrated, it does work. But if you distract me too much, I do not really get jump scared by it. Actually, what are you up to, Dr. Scootnoot? Scoot, whatever. If you want to call, make me call you. Do I have anything with the fish? Get a no catch, but I do not have a catch. I think. Oh yeah, caught an async. There you go. Why does vacuum cleaner really ring a bell for me? I know it's a joke about him, but I can't fully think about it anymore. It's too long ago. I do remember the cheese though, and now he will hate me for it. For the cheese. Oh, never mind. I know why. With the sounds we made, because I also made quite some sounds in Rocket League. I still do that stuff. I still play Rocket League. Was it soft side or something else? I can't remember. I do remember one word, and you're really gonna hate me for this, but that's kaashaas. That word is still in me. I'm very sorry for that. It's got to be one of the best jokes I ever made. Sadly, I don't have the video of it anymore. I think that evening we almost died with the jokes we made. No, not the kaashaas. It's the cheese bunny for those who don't know. Dupe step. Oh no. And like, I'm not gonna say the name, but the one with, can't remember this. Oh god damn it, Panda. I know. I remember the one with the girl, Liam being the girl. God damn it. Still, I want some stories. I don't know if you want to, Panda. Half of the stories are probably not gonna be true anymore because how vague they are, or not even funny because that was just a moment that was funny. Um, so we got the card. We need to Twitch bait to use. No, bait always removes it anyway if you fish. That's what use bait stands for, or like is for. So if you use bait, we check if we have that bait remaining. Else we do that's bait use dot amount minus minus. There you go. We save it. We return the fishing stats. I just realized the bait used is not in there because I don't. I'm still gonna just include fish bait by default. Oh crap! Like this. No, you don't want to know that. And what are any parameters? Fair. Actually, no. Wait, yes, what? It's too long. Oh no, because the other one is also called bait. I see why. Fishing stats. You just use stats. It's fine. So include. Then we get the fish. And then we get the bait. Maybe we should do one day like Rocket League again. Would be funny. I'm better now, I promise. About it up. Hi, Kenny. Welcome back. Welcome fully back. How are you doing? Beside being wet from the sweat. Well, that rhymes. Did you win the master version of the clip? No, we're not gonna do that. Also, wasn't that like 4v4? Yeah, that was chaos. Was that a 3v3? 1, 2, 3, no 3 cars. No, that's a 3v3. Oh, it was cheese. I already assumed it was cheese. So it was actually molten cheese. Press the wrong button. I mean, that's probably something I do a lot in Rocket League still. I still press the wrong button. Hey, don't blame me. I'm playing with mouse and keyboard. You can blame me. I don't have a controller. And card is fish. What? Hey, if I caught a fish, yeah, right. Fish card. Ta-da. It should not be point, but instead it should be. I don't want to relive Rocket League. The game is that. No, it's not. They're actually making way better again. What? Oh no, it's fishing stats, not money. I don't think I use fewer now, do I? Money. Oh, it's again. Oops. Fishing stats, money, mini equal money. Still hard to diamond. I got in platinum. I think no diamond. Sorry. Wait, what's higher than diamond is? Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm also hard second diamond, I guess. But I think that's more of a skill issue than the game issue. High score. Oh boy, Canny. What did you smoke? Was it just a sweat? Sweat he doing that to you? Also, why high L? Oh no, high health. Okay, never mind. I still feel like. But what are high elves? Like elves that are high or into the still log in the sun makes sense. Okay, so nothing caught, we add, otherwise we move. We need to check because if we caught with trash, it actually what does card give us? Int value. That can be changed to int value and I collectible. That means I have to make this also in the shared. I think I just put all of this in here. So garbage type, enum. Okay, fishing type, enum. Yes. Then bait up to catchable in just in here in shared. Yes. High elves are high and it's high score. Yes, but what are high elves? Are that just elves who are standing on a height or something? Or is it it's really a type of elves? High catchable. Catch. Right, that's a reserved term. Crap. I guess catchable, yeah. Oh no, I can do catch with exclamation mark. Yeah, right. And I forgot my C. Of course, it's an actual elf. In the forest world, and why are there high elves? Did it tell you? No. I love how they say that they're lighter than humans while their weight is more than me. Damn. Because on average. But damn, that's sad, Kanye. Further. Yeah. So that's eye catch. We don't need fishing stats, int value. I don't think we need either. In fact, can we just not send to eye catchable? We just make a new object of eye catchable. Would make more sense. Then we don't need sketch. What's the response model? No. What's sketch actually? Where does sketch come from? Sorry, card. Oh, here. Was it an actual model? Don't think so, right? Also, now I think about it, I forgot to put it in the viewer context. No, that one already exists. I need to get a new one for bait. I said for the bait. Also, why is it doodling like this? No big loss. Oh boy. Baits. There we go. And then we can call the baits. Actually, do we really need to call the baits anyway? They still have my key. Oh, wait, what, Kanye? Huh? Um, what, Kanye? It's a big loss. So caught. All right, the code doesn't have that crap. Response model adds. The request model. Code model. What is code model? It has the type of what it's caught. Public. Let me think about this. So what we need is a float of word that can be plus or minus. Public fish type. Fish type. Actually, it could be a record, I think. Then we need to do it differently. Patricia, welcome back from being on and being timed out. Rapidly click noises. I don't know if my microphone even picks it up. Float words. Fish type. Fish type. Trash. No, I don't need a trash type if it's a trash. If it's garbage, you just need a word. which I already have. Then the type. Bait use I don't need anymore because we already deduct it when you throw out the bait. So I think that's fine. Just like this. If it falls, it's trash. Yep, makes sense. And thanks for the hydrate, Panda. So now we have our card model. If card is greater than null, else it's less. Trash card, trash, ace, card dot board. Oh, that should be float. Oh, no, it should be an int, right? Because it's a wall value. Money's now a wall value. Oh no, it can't be a wall value. Crap. Ah, yep. Should be float. This will be a lot of fun to change everything. Yay. Okay, that's actually fine. Okay, what are you complaining about now? Float to int word is a float. Float. Oh yeah, no, never mind. I need to change all these. Total trash cost is float. Total fish sold is float. Should rename this to income actually. That's got float. That's fine. That's also an integer. Oh, Trisha, it's your jam. Daisy jamming. Now is the perfect time to time him out. Codfish. Actually, no, the fish type doesn't matter. I need to know the trash type. No, because word is just 0, right? So I don't need to know what I caught. Now think about it. I just need to know the word. I think so, yeah. So card model can also be removed again. Well, the blob is actually a really good choice because it's from their game. Yeah, it's in yeah, just as I said, 40. It's from Wake Up. I played the game on stream, and people liked it so much, the song, that it's now part of my stream. Ah, that song ends way too quick, doesn't it? Oh damn, it's already almost time. Holy moly. Will I be able to time my rate perfectly? That's a lot of shouting outside. So that's just words. I mean, Well, it's going to be minus equal, and watch is just going to plus equal. Actually, no, they can also minus equal, yeah. So it means that I actually can do just this, right? So now, oh crap. So now, no matter what, money will always be plus equal, even though the word is minus. And if it's more than thing, we add fish card. And if it's 0, then it's also, but then it's just nature that you got, but it's also trash. Yep, makes sense. Changes, fishing stats, we return. Then here, same thing. We use bait. Check if we have the bait. If we have the bait, we remove the amount of this bait. We return the fishing stats. If we don't catch anything, we do total nothing card 0. So plus equal. Or plus plus, whatever makes sense. Update bait, that's also fine. Controller complaint, that's fine. And for this we need the bait type. That's from a body. Bait type. Now we're gonna bit go over time, that's fine. I want to get this sorted and then do the update database and then we're fine. So the card is the word that we still need, right? That's weird. Oh yeah, we need to import this. That's very important. So that's float word. Also, Trisha, how are you doing? I know I haven't asked you yet. Buy bait. So that's Twitch ID, and then from body we need to get the bait type and amount. Actually, I think I can query this, no? Or in the header? No, I'm gonna body, it's fine. The request model is by bait request model. That's bait type. Sorry, needs to be a property. Property bait type and amount, the int amount. There you go. By bait like this, and then from body by bait request model, and that's yeah, bait request, whatever. With this, I'm not gonna be happy. Let's update bait. We have bait request dot type and bait request amount like this. And that should be everything. Then we do .NET application, bait relationship, whatever, it's fine. And then database update. There we go. That's all. Never mind. Total fish income does not exist in total. I know why. Database. Oh, so DBO. And that's in user fish. Total fish income. We need to change it. Total fish sold should be total fish income now. Columns, total face, sold should be renamed to total fish income. Like this. Do a refactor. If you now try again in the console, .NET Framework database update should work. It's a bit cheating, but it works, you know. If I now do this, refresh, it should work. Perfect. Better get 4 people in this database actually. Interesting. But yeah, that's all for today. I would like to thank you all for being here, having a good time. Testing why my freaking overlay is not working again. I really need that new version. Thank you all for being here, for the follows, for the subscriptions, especially Kani, and for the bits. And just for being here and having a good time and good vibes. You're all very appreciated and welcome. And then we would go to why not? To the one of always. There's not much people online anyway. So raid. I can do it with exclamation mark. Raid. And there goes time. Attricia. Raid Cetolix. There we go. Now go to him. Also very good vibes. But also thank you to you, Sally, for being here the whole stream. And enjoy the time with Tricia for the 15. Boom! Oh no. Oh no, I know what's gonna happen. No. Oh, Boom, don't do it. No. God damn it, Boom is gonna raid me and I'm gonna raid Boom. I'm not gonna raid Boom, but I'm gonna go to Seto. Oh no, she's going to Seto. Okay, no worries. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, don't worry. I'm actually gonna see if we can time out the raid perfectly. See if I suddenly gone, that's why I'm gonna actually time out the raid perfectly. With her stream. So we go both at the same time. That would be perfect. So I'm gonna wait for her to raid. That would be amazing.
And then don't type anything else for like 3 minutes.
Actually, let's do the same thing.
Yeah.
Let's do the exact same thing. But with Otter.
Message deleted.
Utterly message deleted. Like this. Oh, without the space.
Message deleted for like the next 3 minutes.
So it's our raid message, but it's for both. That's gonna be so funny. Oh, that's gonna be amazing.
I don't know if you're gonna do the same thing, but it's gonna be funny. No, you gotta put it in the brackets.
Oh, that's gonna be amazing.
You're gonna break the immersion.
Oh, see you guys.